Hi guys! So, dito kami sa Jama Masjid dito sa Delhi, India. Ito yung pinakamalaking mosque nila dito sa Delhi. Yan. Very old mosque. At saka dito yung nakikita yung falls. Yan. Diyan daw sila nagwa-wash before they pray, and this entire place napupuno siya ng mga tao kasi dyan sila nagpe-pray. At saka during the iftar, dyan din sila kumakain. Ang ganda dito guys, grabe, napakaganda. Ito yung mosque nila. So beautiful. Diyan pala sila nagpe-pray, directed to that area. At saka meron pa din dyan. Kasi nga, yung mga tao is they're praying outside all over that area. So, kaya merong mga ganito-ganito. So dito guys, meron silang tatlong gate. Dito is for the royal family, and this side is for the ministry, like yung mga matataas na mga leader, at saka this one is for everybody, yung mga normal lang people. Diyan sila dadaan guys. So, dito guys, yung royal family, maglalagay yan sila ng mga carpet, papunta doon sa loob ng mosque. Yan. Like this guys, oh. Maglagay sila ng carpet. Siguro para mamaya yan. I think that's for later when they pray. Look, they're putting like a carpet. Yeah. This is still an active mosque. People still come and pray here, like especially in Ramadan, Eid. There's a lot of people in this area. It's full of people. They will do their prayer and they will do their iftar. So yun guys, so this is the Jama Masjid, yeah. Super nice. Very authentic yung feeling na dito ka na sa India. Ito siya.
And careful about your mobile phone. The place is very safe, but the thing is, pickpocketers are everywhere. Sure. A little bit careful.
So magre-rickshaw kami around the Delhi market.
This is handmade, sir. How you make it?
That's nice.
Very nice for the fans, children's.
So yan yung sasakyan namin guys. We're in the rickshaw. Ang payat ng driver namin, guys. I don't know if kakayanin niya. Dalawa pa naman kami. Pero ano na yan sila. Master na yan sila magpa-jack. Close pa yung mga tindahan kasi siguro maaga pa. Pero during the midday, ano dito guys, napaka-busy. Parang hindi ka na pasok.
This is jewelry market.
So these are the jewelry market, but it's still closed because it's early.
Modern times market open time after 11.
They open a lot after 11. So, isipin nyo na lang ha, this is not a one-way road, it's a two-way. At saka napakasikip. So, talagang napaka-busy dito at saka napaka-traffic. So, yun. Meron silang fresh juice, fresh sugar cane. So, sa mga daan guys, meron ka makikitang mga pupo ng ng baka. So, medyo ano siya, maamoy na ang area na to. Ang baka kasi nila guys, paano lang, malakad-lakad lang everywhere in the street. Ala, ang laki ng bayabas. Nice. There's pulis. Parang hindi sila takot sa pulis. Tignan mo.
Wedding dress.
Bridal shop. Oh, it's a temple.
Real gold.
Oh, real gold? Wow. Real gold though too, guys. Amazing. So, we went to the mosque and now we can see a temple here in Delhi. They will pray, I think. These are the Buddhists. I mean they're not Buddha, no? Hindu. Look at that. Nakikita niyo ba yung nakikita ko? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Napaka-busy dito sa India, guys. We are in the busiest city. Picture. Let's go.
Town hall, city hall.
This is the city hall. City hall. So anyway guys, pag ano na hindi na tayo makadaan, siguro difficult na dumaan sa mga ali-ali dito. Maliit pa naman yung mga ano nila, daanan. So this is the real authentic India scenery. Welcome to India, guys.
This is cloth market. Cloth market.
Clock? Okay.
Cloth.
Clothes.
In this cloth.
Cloth. Textile, fabric.
This is wholesale cloth. In this cloth.
Cloth. Ito yung mga ano guys, mga tela-tela, damit. Tsaka tignan yung mga wire guys. Ito yung mga wire. Yan yung mga wire. Mas malala pa to sa Pilipinas guys. Parang ayaw mo nang tumira dyan sa building na yan kasi context part. Boom! Sunog. Sunog lahat. So this is what really India is, guys. Ito, sila pa yung nagkakarga, guys. Hello, yan. Oh my God! Napakalubak na daan. Scary. Baka maano guys ba? Ma-flip. Baka ma-flip tong rickshaw na to.
Wholesale market.
Oh, wholesale market. Diba? Yan ba? Mga lubak-lubak. Baka pag ganyan, my God, ulog tayo. Muntik na yun ah. That vehicle is really close to us. Daddy. So it's kahit ganito siya guys, it's still really a very nice experience to see this wires. To see this one. Because I've never seen like that anywhere. Only in India. Very nice place.
This is books market.
Books market here. You can buy your school supplies or office supplies. There's a monkey over there. Look. Nakatingin sila sa akin guys. Sinabi ko, monkey. Baka akala nila na ngayon pa ako nakakita ng monkey. Pero you don't see a monkey in a market guys. Only here in India. All of the sudden may makikita kang mga monkey. Nandito kami sa backside ng mosque kanina guys. Ayun. Nandito pala ang Burj Khalifa. Ay, patay na blur. Yan. Ganda ng tunnel nila. May mga artwork. Very beautiful. Pag nandito ko sa tunnel, ang tunnel na to ha, it's a very long tunnel. Hindi ka mabubore kasi may maraming mga artwork. It's very impressive. There's a lot of artwork around the wall, no? So nice. Look at that, guys. the India Gate. So, yung India Gate guys, lahat ng mga soldier na namatay sa war, nakaukit dyan sa gate na yan. So, bypass na kami. Saglit lang doon. Sa ibang place na naman kami. Ito guys, yung mga nakikita nyo na medyo maaliwalas na siya. At saka malinis. Yan yung New Delhi. Ang area nito ay New Delhi na guys. Yan na. Less traffic na siya. Hindi na medyo maingay. May mga area naman talaga na ano siya, peaceful. At saka may area na medyo crowded, maingay. So dito is parang maliwalas.
Spreading in around 200,000 square feet area with 340 rooms in it. But it was made for the Viceroy of British Empire, the whole building from there to there. That circular building on the right hand side, that is the Parliament House made by the British. And now we have made our own Parliament House on the right hand side with the national emblem at the top over there. So in 2001 we had a terrorist attack on the old Parliament House building. After that you can see the security is very tight. We are not allowed to go beyond this. Only the government vehicles are allowed.
So that's the Parliament House. So ito guys, ito yung tinatawag nila na Agrasen Ki Baule. Ito yung step wheel nila dito. During rain season, pinipreserve nila yung water kasi nga sa summer napakainit at saka kailangan nila mag-save ng water. So dito yung place na yun. Guys.
So she took around 9 years for making the design of the building, for selecting this site. Means after the 9 years of design, the construction started here. Then it took 7 years to complete. He died in 1556. Construction started here in 1565 and finished in 1570. One of the beautiful girls used to throw flowers on it.
Kaya malaki yung ano niya, gate guys, is for to enter the elephants.
That's closed because it's under restoration.
Nice. Para pala yun sa elepante, para kasya siya dun ba? Sa gate na yun.
You see, as we are going towards the building, the whole building is coming into that arch.
So ito yung Humayun Tomb. Wow! So nice. You have to go up on these steps.
you're at in the frame. I can't see.
I need to drink water. Diyan yung stairs guys, pababa dyan. Hindi mo akalain na may ano no, may hagdanan dyan. So dyan yun. Pasok tayo guys. May mga ano dyan. May mga grave dyan guys. Every door has those. So dito pala nakalibing yung king ng Mongol, something like that. Yung asawa naman niya ang nag-build nito para sa kanya. So it's kind of like similar to Taj Mahal kasi yung asawa niya na namatay, ang asawa ng king na namatay, ginawa niya yung Taj Mahal para sa yung asawa niya. Ito naman is para sa yung asawa ng lalaki. Yung ang babae ang nagpagawa sa place na. Wow, sana all pinapagawa ng ganito ng mga asawa. Excuse for my sweat. So yung mga nakalibing do dito guys, it's like more than 100 of people was married here. But all these people, they don't know who are they. They don't have a name. So it's like unknown people, pero nakalibing sila dito. Yan. So they are special guys. So they are so lucky that they are buried in this beautiful tomb. So dito, ito lang yung makikita natin na mga tomb. Pero marami pa yan daw sa baba. But you cannot go down there kasi for security. So ito lang muna. It's a marble and then it's written using Arabic word, Arabic letters or something like that. Huh?
Yeah, verses from the Quran.
So those writing is verses from a Quran daw. Kaya pala Arab siya. Arab writing pala siya. So these are the unknown people. They don't know who was there. There's no name. Those are beautiful. Tignan niyo guys, yung ano nila. Yung rail nila. Ang cute. Hanggang dito ko siya guys. From my legs. Diba? Very secure and ano, not dangerous. Ayan. Ayan oh, meron pa dito sa labas ah. Tingnan muna natin ang view dito. Wow, look at that. So nice. Marami pala. So, bababa na kami guys. So, I will see you to the next one. Pag nandito kayo guys, everything is red. The structure, yung soil, yun.
This is the room here.
So these are the handmade carpets, rugs. It's so beautiful guys. Wow. So nice.
This is the room here.
Oh, this is what they use.
It's quite interesting to know about these carpets. They're all handmade, done at home. I used to make these carpets. I'm going to that place.
Oh, so that's where they get all the materials?
Yes,
Oh, I
yes.
see.
We are the weavers. It's a weavers organization. You know, each carpet is done by different family.
Oh.
They're all handmade, you know, these carpets. Take us such a long time to work on these carpets.
Wow.
So I'm going to show you.
You're gonna show us how they make.
More educational to know about these carpets here. And the carpets what we make, they're not like those woven. These are hand knotted. This is what they have to go through the program. This is the whole program of this graph paper here. These are secret codes within the family. Weaver has to learn first this, then he's able to work on the carpet here. These are secret codes. These are the colors and the knots here. And this is a ordinary paper like this here. This is knot. And each row is locked between the two wefts. If we pull the thread from the reverse side, only one thread comes out. It doesn't affect other area. When you're talking about those hand woven or hand tufted carpets, you know, hand loom carpets, if you pull the thread from the reverse side, so the whole row comes out. This is the knife. It's only sharp up to here, it's more blunt on this side. This has two purposes of using this knife. One, we beat them down and then we cut. And the iron comb, every after row. Once the row is done, we have to beat it down. The more we beat, more it gets compact, more dense, so that we can accommodate more material. And with this scissor, which is more flat on the front, up on the back, we trim them time to time on the loom. But as I said, you know, final trimming is done later on. But how we do it, you know, how we do the knot here. What we do first, we set up the base of the carpet here, which stands with the two layers. One from the back and one from the front. This is the backbone of the carpet. This has to be stronger. We use cotton because it makes carpet stronger for the floor. Now how we do the knot here, this is what you have to see. This is one thread from the back and the power thread from the front. And we choose the material between these two threads. First around the back strip, then around the front. You know, we pull it down and push it down with the knife. We don't tie the knot, we just leave it like this, push it down with the knife. At the same time, we'll cut it with this. So that each knot of this carpet is individually knotted, one by one, one by one, one by one. There is no connection in between. It's a lot of work, you know.
Yeah, it seems like...
Not going to damage. They're so strong, these kind of carpets. And you can use them on any kind of a floor. Parquet, marble, walk-on carpets. You don't need any padding underneath these
It
things.
feels nice. So this is part of their tradition. They have to serve the guest a tea. Nice.
Do you take sugar, sir?
So we're on our way now to Qutb Minar. Ito yung isa sa attraction dito sa Delhi, India. So let's go guys, let's look around. Tignan nyo yung curving nila, oh. Tignan nyo, guys. Ang ganda. Sobrang dito. Tsaka, iba-ibang design to siya. Every like is iba't ibang design. So they're not all the same. They're like
No, they're all different because they came from different Hindu temples.
Beautiful India. Oh, little squirrel. Don't jump on me, ah. Look. Look. Ah, he's drinking a water, Daddy. Did you see? Oh, yeah. That's why you're there, ah, because you're drinking a water. I'm afraid you're gonna jump. They really jump.
He won't jump on you. Just looking to see if you have to. There's some people who think that.
Ah, okay, I see. Alam nyo, halos ang mga tourist lang din dito ngayon is yung mga local lang, mga Indian people. Kaunti lang yung mga foreigner na mga puti. Kadalasan is mga Indian. Right, Daddy? Most of the tourists now is like Indians.
Yeah.
Mga local. iba din ang pagkakagawa nila ng building na to. Kasi with the big rocks. Ito oh. So may mga palaman na rocks and then semento ganun. No, it's different how they made it because there's like rocks. And then
it's like rock and mortar on the inside, and they put the stone facing on the outside.
yeah, which is kind of like unique. Ito lunch ko guys. It's a chicken biryani. And it is not just a biryani. It's really special biryani. Ang sarap guys. As in. Tsaka kartim is pasta. As usual. American. It's so good. Tama-tama lang yung anghang. At saka yung spices is not that strong. Ang ganda ng garden dito sa Lotus Temple. Wow, beautiful. Dito kami ngayon sa Lotus Temple. Sabi nila itong Lotus Temple is it's for everyone, to all religion. Ayan, dito parang swimming pool. Para siyang swimming pool guys. Pero bawal daw magtampisaw dyan. It's not allowed. So we have to take off our shoes.
So it was kind of funny when the rowers saying like
So that was the Lotus Temple. Maganda dun sa Lotus Temple guys kasi lahat ng religious, you can pray there. It's amazing lang. So, iba't ibang religious tapos iisa kayo mag-pray. Diba? Parang nag-reunite yung mga religion. So now guys, we're done in the Lotus Temples guys. Tapos na yung tour. This is the last one. So tomorrow we're going to see the Taj Mahal in Agra. And it's a little bit far from Delhi. So that's all for my vlog today, and see you to my next one. Bye! mga buko pa doon, no? Alam nyo, ang soda nila ay hindi pala siya soda na soft drinks. Yung Coke, Pepsi, ganun. Carbonated water siya. Iba pala ang nila sa kanila tawag ng soda.
Not rule follow.
Mabibingi ka na lang sa mga honking nila, guys. Hindi yan sila babaawat. It's a non-stop honking. Patay.
Peace.
Pabilisan kasi ito sila, guys, mag-drive.
Very dangerous drawing.
Yeah. Kung sinong mauna. Yeah. Correct. No rules follow here. Pabilisan sila ba kung sinong mauna. Hindi uso sa kanila yung mga safety. Siguro sila, insured na din sila. Oh yeah.
Yeah.